To use your Capital One card before it arrives, you need to understand the concept of digital cards and temporary card information. Once you have been approved for a Capital One card, you can access your account online or through the mobile app. First, log into your Capital One account online or through the mobile app. If you have not already, you will need to create a username and password. Once you have access to your account, you can view your digital card information, which includes your card number, expiration date, and security code. You can use this digital card information to make online purchases or add your card to digital wallets such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. This way, you can start using your card for purchases before the physical card arrives in the mail. Keep in mind that some merchants may not accept digital cards or temporary card information, so it is always a good idea to check with the merchant before making a purchase. Additionally, you should receive your physical card in the mail within 7 to 10 business days after being approved. It is also important to note that you will need to activate your physical card once it arrives by calling the phone number provided with your card or through the Capital One mobile app. This will ensure that your card is secure and ready to use. In summary, you can use your Capital One card before it arrives by accessing your digital card information online or through the mobile app and using it to make online purchases or add to digital wallets. Always check with merchants before making a purchase and be sure to activate your physical card once it arrives.